we're gonna tell you what this cow ate for dinner, or mystical creature. Hey, Greg, come on. Okay, so this patty right here was eaten into by mystical creature maggots who feed off the mystical creatures. Okay, so it looks like this dude has eaten grass. Maybe some cow feed, you know? Maybe some corn. Cane corn. That's probably why this thing doesn't look that good, because cane corn gives you diarrhea if you do eat it, remember? Okay.
And we are in South Korea, diarrhea.
Yeah, that's a song I made up because I don't like this place. So yeah, that's probably what he ate. This is what bad manure looks like, because he ate canned corn. All right. Of course, you shouldn't ever climb a tree. Come over here. There are good resources under rocks. Look at this. Come here, Jimmy. Spiders are high in protein. Get a close up of that. Gotta eat the spiders. Yeah, see, it's just good everywhere, okay? I just kind of put it back. He probably died. So yeah, find stuff under rocks. Good deal. Today's kind of going to be a little short one. All right, Jimmy, you're too close. Today's going to be a short little video. Next time, we're going crazy on the base over there. Okay? Like, almost season finale bull crappery. It's going to be crazy, but of course, by regulations, I have to get my nature stuff in. So basically, all you need to do, find water, find food, shelter. Actually, shelter's kind of before food, but water's coming before everything. Shelter, fire, wood. Jimmy, you're not nice.
What did I do?
I do not advise you to get a cameraman named Jimmy. He was the cheapest, but he's not the best.
We discussed that you shouldn't say that.
Jimmy, this is my show.
You don't say that.
Jimmy.
No, that's not. I do all of this for you, and that's what I get.
Jimmy, you don't do anything for
I
me.
want to quit.
Jimmy, no, you won't.
I'm not doing this.
Jimmy, please.
I'm not doing
Jimmy.
this.
Jimmy, please.
I'm not doing this.
Jimmy. Son of a gun, Jimmy, I'll beat the crap out of you.
Oh.
Get on
Oh.
camera. Jimmy. Give it the camera.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
What is that? Hold on,
My
Jimmy. Good find,
camera.
Jimmy. Good find. Ooh. The ground under it is moist.
So that means it's kind of fresh.
Yes. What does that say? Smicus. No caffeine. It's a no caffeine bomb. I told you this. It's looks deactivated. Yeah, the pin's like all messed up.
So
Looks deactivated.
it's not active.
No, it's not an active bomb.
If it was, would we blow up like right now?
Oh yeah. Just with a, I mean, it's on a ticking time clock.
Where?
It's inside the bomb. Okay.
How do you know it's a ticking time clock?
Because I made one of these one time.
Maybe we can reactivate it and use it on them.
I doubt it. I mean, that thing's old as heck.
Anyways,
Good find, Jimmy.
yeah.
Sorry we fought, man.
I'm still not filming.
I go solo.
Then go solo.
Fans will like it better.
You're lucky to have me. I'm cheap because I don't care about the money.
You take my money.
Why do you not?
Film me, Jimmy. Film.
No.
Jimmy, okay, give it to me. Give it to me, Jimmy.
Take it. I'm not doing it.
Jimmy, please. Jimmy. Jimmy, I'll give you more money. Jimmy! Jimmy, please! Jimmy Duggar, come back! Jimmy, I promise! Jimmy! Okay, guys, I kind of lied. I don't know if I'm good at this vlogging thing. Well, not vlog, but like self-doing this. Just yeah. I am a model, as y'all probably know, just guns. So yeah, as you know, Jimmy quit on me. So we just kind of gotta walk and find her stuff. No. Well. Yeah, she's a good cameraman, but I mean, it's just, I don't know, man. She was trying to take all of my skills, but I gotta find her because she was good. But so we're just kind of trying to retrace her steps a little bit. Sorry about the bad camera work. My wrist is broken. Jimmy! Where are you, Jimmy? Oh, I'm getting attacked. Jimmy, where are you? This is one place you don't want to get lost in Tokyo Wilderness. Alright, we're just gonna keep trying to find Jimmy. Let's go this way. Oh, gosh. Jimmy! Jimmy, where are you going, Jimmy? No, Jimmy, come back. Please, Jimmy, Jimmy. Stop, Jimmy. Jimmy, I need you, Jimmy. Please, Jimmy. Alright, well, me and Jimmy, we kind of parted ways. We kind of disagreed on everything, but I just got back from a modeling shoot, you know. Where did that rock come from? Oh God, what is that? All right, guys, I think I lost him. Oh my gosh, no, I did. Well, I got it in the video. Okay, goodbye, guys.